Welcome to Alpharetta High School. My name is Andrew Bolin, and I'll be speaking to you today about our school's vision, mission, and core values. I wanted to start off by showing you our school website. This is where all of the information that makes up and composes Alpharetta High School can be found, like our school's vision, mission, and core values. They are located under the Our Schools tab. If you click Our School, it gives you the demographics about our school, but then on the left menu panel, there is the mission and vision, as well as our core values. So our vision at Alpharetta High School is that we pride ourselves on creating opportunities for excellence in academics, arts, athletics, and altruism. It is so important for all of us at Alpharetta High School, faculty and staff, to be able to foster these learning opportunities for students with the understanding that not every student learns the same or excels in the same area, which is why we even more so pride ourselves on the different and vast opportunities that students have to excel in areas of academics, in areas of the arts, athletics, as well as our altruistic behaviors. Our school's mission statement indicates that at Alpharetta High School, we believe that education creates opportunity. As a learning community, we seek to inspire intellectual curiosity and stimulate personal creativity by setting high expectations and developing engaging environments to promote a culture of continuous learning where hard work is a contributor to success. We respect the diverse perspectives, beliefs, and backgrounds of others and strive to build a foundation of self governing integrity that recognizes each of our unique contributions to both our local and the global community. This is a very large and filled mission statement, but it's because the work we do every day at Alfred High School is not basic and it's not simple. Every day, we pride ourselves on the opportunities, again, that I've shared before, of providing excellence in areas of academics, arts, athletics, and altruism. But it's all about the environment that we foster here. We are a very diverse student population, so we have students from many different backgrounds, beliefs, cultural perspectives, etc. It is because of that diversity that we continue to see how we excel every year in the basic understanding of what comprises our school. And our school simply is our students, faculty, and staff. There's a vast perspective of diversity in our faculty and staff alone, but when you add our students into the mix, we have over 2,300 students at Alfred High School. And when you add all of them and their unique contributions into our demographic data, it just goes to show you that we really do believe in what we're doing every day, and we take pride in our ability to foster such great learning environments for all of our students. Lastly, are our core values. We are very heavily invested in believing that we are reflective practitioners that devote every day to the craft of education. We value a passion for what we teach, a commitment to whom we teach, and a desire for collaborating and improving how we teach. As a community, we aspire to find balance in where we devote our time to pursue a unity of shared purpose that guides our decisions and to support one another and our learning community by bringing our best selves to every opportunity. Again, another loaded set of information, but filled with such promise. I personally believe, having being seated in our school's leadership team, that we really are reflective practitioners. We take the time every other week, specifically in our leadership group, but every day to reflect on what we do and how we do it to continue to better ourselves for our students. Because after all, that's who we're here to serve.